If you're planning on replacing your windows anytime soon, now might be a good time to do so. Magic Window Senior Marketing Manager, we have Jennifer Matusiak here to walk us through the window wall. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Emily. I'm excited to show you the Magic Window wall. It's not your average patio door. You can tell by just looking at it. You get all that glass, so you really maximize your views to the outdoors. You probably spent a lot of money renovating your backyard or spent a lot of time gardening, so we really want to maximize those views for you. Oh. And this is actually a bifold door, so it's important to know bifold doors are typically hinged together like an accordion door.
Okay.
This one, we made the panels operate independently for you, and that allows you to really customize your opening, and it also helps the longevity of the door because hinges will strip, loosen, and malfunction over time. So if you're gonna just let the dog out, you open that primary panel.
Yeah.
Do you have dogs?
I had one growing up, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Love my dog.
we kept those in mind. This bug screen, you know, obviously you want to bring the outdoors in, but you want to keep the bugs out. And we made this bug screen with some gifts. So if you have a pet or some children, or maybe you yourself walked into the bug screen at one point, we really built it with some gifts, so it's built to last. There's a 40-year warranty on this entire product.
Yeah, that's incredible. My dog actually bit a hole right through our bug screen and it to be able to get outside when he wanted to. So I think that might have stopped him.
Yeah, if there's ever an issue, we make these here in Ontario, so we'll send a technician out and they'll service that for you. These cartridges actually come right out, so if there's ever a service issue, it's really easy to service.
Amazing.
Now, so we're going to open up this second panel here. You can have 2 panels open, you can have all of them open. Let's say you're having a party and you really want to maximize your entire opening, have a seamless transition between the indoors and the outdoors. You now maximize your entire opening.
Look at that. I'm going to come join you back in the indoors.
So you let all that abundant fresh air in.
Yeah.
Keep the bugs out.
Very nice. And these are still all the ones that have a little bit of give.
Correct.
Amazing, amazing. So all of this is open. That's incredible in the summer. Of course, our winters, though, in Canada, a little bit cooler, some extreme temperatures. Are these going to keep the heat in?
Great question, Emily. So these were designed in Ontario. They're actually the only 4-season rated bifold systems in North America. So these were typically designed in California, bifold systems in general. And you bring that over here and you're kind of going to freeze in the winter time. So these ones here, you close them up. They're 4-season rated for a couple of reasons. These insulated glass units have argon gas in the middle, so they're going to insulate your home well, keep that cold air out. And these panels interlock into each other with an airtight compression seal, and you'll see that right here.
Amazing, okay.
So there's a suction when you're closing it up. And that's really important because you don't want to let any drafts in your house, especially if this is going to be a back wall of your house.
Yeah, don't want to let any of that cold air in. We have just a couple of seconds left. Briefly, is this going to be the same technology over here?
Same technology can be converted over to a window. Now these are all custom, so it could be made as a 30-foot door, a door this size, a standard patio door size. Could also be made as a window, just like this one.
Amazing. There you go. You're able to open it fully, get tons of views outside as well. Oh, and the bug screen in the window as well. Amazing. All right, we'll get all of your information up on our website. You can find Magic Doors Windows there, chch.com/morninglive. We'll have more Morning Live coming up for you as well.